of the reasons why I see many students struggle in chemistry at A levels as compared to O levels is because they severely underestimate the amount of effort, the level of effort that you need, the amount of time that you need to invest into studying for chemistry. I'm not sure about the other subject. I can only speak for chemistry. Chemistry, you need an insane amount of memorization. You need to spend the time and effort to invest in learning about reagent and condition for organic chem. So I ask students, like, do you want to do well? The answer is 100% yes, I want to do well. But they will have some excuse or some reason. They say, oh, I'm very busy, you know, I have this CCA, you know, I have to go to church in the weekends. And I'm not saying you can't do all that. You can, and sometimes you should. But that doesn't mean that you cannot put in an increased amount of effort. I mean, look, compared to O levels, right? A levels content for chemistry at least is at least 5 to 10 times more, right? So you cannot expect to do what works at O levels, you know, and you study for last 2 weeks and you manage to score an A2, and then you thought that you can do the same thing and pull off a A grade for your A levels. It's simply not going to work, guys. A level is a different beast. It's a different animal. So you got to put in the time, you got to put in the effort. The basic fundamentals is basically just seeing whether you can memorize those reagent and condition, memorize the trends, the phrasing, the keywords, the scientific terms. All these things take time. And the average person takes about 4 practices spread out over like a week or so that you get the memory in. So that is just the base level. I'm not even talking about application yet. So if you guys are thinking that you can do it in the last 2 months, you know, after your prelims, you are going to be in for a rude shock. That's all I can say. Eric here signing off. Follow me for more content like this.